What if you could have an expert reviewer stress test your grant proposal before you ever hit submit? You can use Gemini to find potential improvements by prompting it to act as a rigorous, objective peer reviewer. Imagine you're applying for a grant with a research proposal focused on digital equity and AI literacy for all students. In Gemini, upload your proposal and the funder's rubric. Then enter this prompt. As a rigorous peer reviewer, use the rubric to identify specific logic gaps or methodology misalignments in this grant proposal. Gemini identifies exactly where your methodology fails to meet high-stakes criteria, allowing you to refine your argument before submission. To extend this idea, why not ask Gemini to suggest the strongest evidence needed to address each of these specific critiques? This provides a targeted roadmap of the citations and datasets required to validate your research plan. This rigorous modeling ensures your research is defended by the strongest possible logic. Okay, now it's your turn. Head over to gemini.google.com to get started.